Hey friends, welcome back. Today I've got a Sunbasket sponsored video for you. We're going to show you a really quick and easy Sunday like brunch-ish. Not really brunch. I don't know, it's food. Stay tuned. If you're new around here, I hope that you enjoy the video. Please consider subscribing to be a part of the family. We would love to have you. Also head over to the Instagram page and follow us over there for more fun and shenanigans. Today's video is sponsored by Sunbasket, so thank you first of all to them. A lot of you have asked if we've done like a more organic option for meal delivery, and this is really our first try using something like that. So when they reached out, I thought this would be a great way to showcase for those of you who are wondering about meal deliveries that have more options, more catering towards more dietary restrictions. We've got a child. Say hi.
Hi.
She's got pretend glasses on, but they have clear plastic lenses. Yes.
And another back here.
And we've got another. Hold on, they want to say hi. He's not too happy today, huh? What's going on? Tell him real quick.
I have a really loose tooth.
And it's bothering you pretty bad, huh?
So he can only...
Go ahead.
So he can only eat soft food like oatmeal and pudding.
So they're eating some oatmeal and some pudding, and he's working on getting it out.
Like there's mostly like nothing hanging onto it, but it's still in my mouth.
Yeah, we'll get there, won't we?
Because like there's this super duper tiny piece of tooth that's holding it together.
Yeah. Alice wanted to tell you she also got red glasses and teal glasses.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Can Mama finish talking now, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay. So back to lunch. It is currently 2 o'clock. We have a lazy Sunday here today. This meal is technically, I'm trying to get good lighting, sorry. This meal is technically for 2 people. I don't think the kids would eat it anyway. We are doing a fresh penne with shrimp, baby kale, and pesto. And then I also have a salad kit that I'm going to show you. So this would make a really great like heavy lunch, or like for us it's between lunch and dinner. So we'll eat a little bit heavier now, Will and I, and then we'll eat lighter later. But Sunbasket has an offer going on. They change from time to time, so the newest offer will be linked down below if you want to give it a try. I will say the meals that we've tried, because this is our second like meal, the other meal I cooked last week, super fast, super easy, tasty, healthy, loved it. So that's kind of my take on that. But I'm gonna go ahead and start whipping up some lunch while Will is out running and have this ready for when he gets back. So like I said, we're doing the penne with shrimp and a baby kale. It looks like that, but mine will probably not be that pretty. It's supposed to have red chili flakes. Mine spilled all over, so we're just like foregoing that. But we've got the pasta, some fresh parsley, the pesto, and this is supposed to be baby kale. This doesn't look like baby kale. I don't know. Oh, it says organic kale. Maybe organic kale is not as green as what I would expect. And then we're also doing because this is going to get kind of cooked in with it, we're going to do a rainbow Asian salad on the side. We got 3 salads in our box, and this one just looked good to me. So we've got some spinach, cabbage, carrots, cilantro, black sesame seeds, scallions, cashews, and a peanut dressing. So I'm going to start cooking this up real quick, and I'll show you kind of as we go along. So as I'm prepping, I just wanted to update you. I've got water coming to a boil for the pasta. Some of you might know I like to listen to audiobooks while I cook, so I'm listening to Educated by Tara Westover. I'm about halfway through. It's decent so far. I've got the parsley chopped for garnish, and then I rinsed and I'm drying the shrimp right now. I've got the shrimp here with half the parsley and then some chili lime seasoning since our pepper flakes were like not usable because they were all over the bag. Hopefully that'll taste good. The pasta is cooking, and then I'm about to throw the shrimp into this once the oil heats up. And then I think from there, everything just kind of goes into, like you finish it in this pan. And then I'm going to assemble the salad here. I've got the kale in with the shrimp, and that's just like wilting right now, and the shrimp is finishing cooking through. And then I am going to be adding the rest of the stuff. Smells good. For the salad, I just put all of the greens in here. I have finally chopped the cilantro and then thinly sliced the scallions or the green onions, and then I'm just gonna throw everything together. So not a whole lot to look at there. I will show you the finished product. I'm super excited, and I lied, this is a cashew, not peanut dressing. So here's the finished salad, which looks beautiful. The dressing, I realize I may not be a fan of. So as I'm reading, the dressing is a tamarind cashew dressing, which most of the stuff is fine, but it has coconut vinegar in it, and that it's kind of messing with my taste buds. And I don't know what tamarind paste tastes like. It's just a little bit acidic for my taste. Hopefully once it sits, it'll taste good. I don't know. It's worth a try. If you like the really acidic type of dressings and stuff, this is probably right up your alley. I was thinking it was gonna be more of like a peanut sauce. All right, so I just did a quick taste test so I can let you know how it is. The pasta and shrimp is really good. The salad is better than I was hoping it was going to be. So again, that's just a personal taste preference. That hasn't, I mean, the ingredients are great. The ingredients were fresh. I only used one of the sauce or the dressing cups on it because I don't think Will's gonna love it either. But it's not horrible. Definitely a good hearty lunch or dinner even. Like I said, we're gonna eat this for a later lunch and then just do a light dinner later of like whatever. All around, 2 thumbs up for convenience, variety, organic ingredients. I would definitely do it again, sifting through the recipes and finding something that is more palatable to our like taste preferences. We are not super adventurous, so some of the stuff is probably a little bit fancier for our liking, but you may love it. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Sunbasket, for sponsoring this. And until next time, we will see you later. Bye.